Now the next topic in chapter number 1 is write the Coulomb's law for electric force, and from that derive the formula of electric force for both air and dielectric medium. Statement of Coulomb's law is like that the magnitude of electric force acting between the two stationary point charged particle is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Now case 1 for air, which is also equivalent to vacuum or free space medium, because all three mediums physical properties are same, that's why they are equivalent. We have two stationary point charge particles are q1 and q2. The distance between them is suppose that small r. As we discussed in previous lecture is if the two positive charge particles or the same sign of charge particles are placed close to each other, then the repulsion type of electric force acting between them. Now the amount of electric force applied by q1 to q2 and the electric force applied by q2 to q1 is always same, means F, and here is also F. As we discussed, Coulomb's law is only useful for stationary and point charge particle. It is never used for the large bodies. It is only used for stationary and point charge particle. If the charge is moving, then this formula is not valid. Now according to the statement, according to the law or statement, F is directly proportional to the product of charges. F is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Now as we know that if the same physical quantity is proportional to the different physical quantity, then we can write them together like this: F proportional q1 into q2 by r square. Now we will go on a second page. So F is proportional to q1 into q2 by r square. When we removing the proportional sign, then there is a constant comes small k. Remember, it is small k. It is not a k, it is small k. q1 q2 by r square. And that is the formula of electric force acting between two charges when they are in air medium. Small k is proportionality constant. And its value is fixed, 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. But this small k is only used for air medium. It never be used in any other medium. only for air medium. The small k is also written like this. Small k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Remember, it is epsilon naught. The new physical quantity is here. So if k is written like this, then the above electric force formula becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 into q2 by r square. Because at the place of k, here at the place of small k we put 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So here f equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is also the formula of electric force between two charges when they are in air medium. Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space or air medium or vacuum. It is a physical quantity whose name is permittivity. As it is the permittivity of free space, that's why we put naught, and this is epsilon. So whole thing is known as epsilon naught. Its a value is fixed. Epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Exactly the opposite unit of small k. Now we will go on a second page. Case 2. If there is a dielectric medium, dielectric medium means it is a non-conducting medium. Beside the air medium, all other medium is known as dielectric medium. If we removing the air medium, then all other medium is known as dielectric medium. If the same point charge particles are placed close to each other at the same distance like r, but as they are in different mediums, so the electric force acting between them is also changed. It becomes F dash. So this F dash can be written like this directly according to the theory. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into capital K. It is directly, we have to accept it. It never think that where it comes. It is directly given. So we have to accept this. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught capital K Q1 Q2 by R square. So if we focus on this case, so this case capital K, in previous case there is a small k. Capital K is completely different from small k, then there is no relation between them. They are completely different. Capital K is only used for dielectric medium. For which medium? Dielectric medium. And small k is only used for air medium. So if we focus that F dash is equals to, if we separating the capital K and combining the other terms together, then if you see that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 into q2 by r square, that is the previous formula of electric force in air medium, because in air medium it is written like this as we discussed earlier. So at this place, can we put capital F for air medium? Yes. So F dash is equals to F by capital K. And that is the relation between F dash, which is the electric force in dielectric medium, and F, which is the electric force in air medium. So they are related to each other. Capital K is what? Capital K is dielectric constant for given medium. Dielectric constant for given medium. It is different, its value is different for different medium. Its value never fixed, but its formula is like this. Capital K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. Epsilon is permittivity of any medium. permittivity of medium, any medium like oil, water, any non-conducting medium. But epsilon naught, it is the permittivity of free space. It is the permittivity of free space. It is fixed. But for any other medium, the permittivity of any medium is denoted by epsilon, and permittivity of free space is denoted by epsilon naught. But capital K is also known as epsilon r, relative permittivity. Relative permittivity of medium. Remember, permittivity is only related to electric property, but if we have magnetic property, then there is a different term is come in next chapters, like in magnetism, permeability. But for electric medium, there is only permittivity. So K is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. So if we multiply epsilon naught and K, then they together equal to epsilon. As we know that f dash equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into capital K q1 q2 by r square. So at this place, can we put epsilon? Yes. So f dash equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 by r square, and that is the formula of electric force for dielectric medium. That's it.